Hey! Father's got it! Yeah! That car. Where's my car?
Phone kodu nange.
Puli nange phone kodu. Give me the phone. ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Give me the phone. ಅದು ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಕೇಳು ಸಂಜುದು.
ಸಂಜು even many cool come up to stand and I'm to my nothing and I did come back to play me and go and all these come back to play me.
ಪುಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಧು ಮಾಮ ಶಾಲಿನಿ ಆಂಟಿ? Where have they gone?
In Adi's away.
Oh, where is it? Is it nearby or is it far away?
Far away.
Oh, we have to go in car or we have to go in airplane?
Van.
Van. Oh, okay, okay. Appa's van? ಮಾತಾಡು.
Hi.
ಏ ಮಧು ಹೇಳು.
Hey, Madhu. Hey.
Hello, tell Madhu Mama Shalini auntie you have a baby brother now.
Madhu Mama Shalini has baby. Oh yes, it's called.
Okay, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಆದಿದು ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಮುಗಿತಾ ಕಡೆ.
Adi class.
What about Sanju's swimming class?
Class teach many schools. Oh yes.
Putti, ask Shalini auntie if she made butter biscuit.
Butter biscuit.
ನಂಗೆ ಸಹ ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳು. ಕೊಡಿಲಿ ಫೋನ್ ಕೊಡ. I want to talk. Give it to me.
Walking now.
ಪುಲ್ ನೋಡು ಟಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ಅಪ್ಪ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. See Appa in the TV. No, who's the picture in the TV?
Papa.
He is doing mouth. Siddhi Acharya.
No, monster.
Yeah, but I'm scared.
It's a doll.
Oh, it's just a doll? Okay.
Mama, you and how
Oh, ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ? Okay.
I'm going. Wait a minute. Wait, let's do it. Oh,
Porlana.
Madhu, calling glass. Bye.
What?
Madhu. 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 Hey. I'm talking. Hey, I'm talking.
Okay, sorry.
What? We shouldn't be laughing, is it?
Don't be talk. I'm talking. Don't be talking.
I'm talking to Akshay.
Wait, I'm talking.
You can talk on the phone. I'm talking to Akshay, not to you. Okay?
Come on, Suma, let's be funny.
Hey, I'm talking. My
Hurt.
got hurt.
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 Oh, pretend.
ಹೇಳತಕ್ಕ ಕೊಳೋ ಹೇಳತಕ್ಕ
ಅಲ್ಲುಲ್ಲುಲ್ಲುಲ್ಲು.
I'm good at it. Yes. Because I'm talking. I'm talking.
To whom?
Madhu Mama.
ಆವಾಗದಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಮುಗಿಲಿಲ್ವಾ? Tell Madhu Mama to come here to Boston.
Boston.
And tell Adi. Tell Adi. Huh? Say kolpe.
ಕೊಳ್ಪೆ ಸುಲ ಪುಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೇಳು.
Do like this.
ಹಾ
ಪುಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಏನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಆದಿಗೆ?
ಕೊಳ್ಪೆ
ಕೊಳ್ಪೆ ಸುಲ ಅಂಜಿ ಪುಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಅಪ್ಪ.
ಹೇಳ.
ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಹೇಳು? ಏನ?
Madhu.
Adi, say happy. Anushka, say Happy New Year for Madhu Mama. We'll send this to him as a video link. Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year, Madhu Mama, Shalini Auntie, Adi and Sanju. Happy New Year.
To you.
Good job. Put an inside header. Happy to you.